Tired of manually reading resumes one by one? Let me show you how to automatically process resumes using AI the moment they hit your Google Drive. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you how to use GPT-4o, Google Drive, Google Sheets, and ClickUp to automatically analyze resumes and kick off your hiring workflow, fully hands-free. Step 1. Watch for new resumes. Google Drive Trigger. This node continuously watches a specific Google Drive folder. Whenever a new resume file is uploaded, the workflow starts automatically. It ensures no resume is missed and removes manual checking. Step 2. Download resume file, Google Drive. This node downloads the newly uploaded resume file. It fetches the actual PDF content using the file ID. The file is then passed forward for text extraction. Step 3. Convert PDF to text extract from file. This node converts the resume PDF into readable text. It extracts all written content from the document. The output text is used for AI-based resume analysis. Step 4. AI Resume Analyzer LangChain Agent. This node uses AI to analyze the resume text. It extracts structured details like name, email, skills, role, and experience. The output is returned strictly in JSON format. Step 5. Clean AI Response Code Node. Sometimes AI responses contain formatting noise. This node removes code blocks and parses valid JSON safely. It ensures clean structured data for database storage. Step 6. Save candidate to database Google Sheets. This node saves or updates candidate details in Google Sheets. It stores email, phone, skills, experience, role, and education. Google Sheets acts as the central candidate database. Step 7. Create hiring task ClickUp. This node creates a hiring task in ClickUp. The task is named using the candidate's name and assigned automatically. It officially kicks off the hiring process for the candidate. If this AI hiring automation helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful no-code and AI workflows.